Okay, guys, so what you're going to do for our lesson today for third period, elective class, you're going to go ahead and go over to your Google Classroom. And can just one kid unmute and let me know that you can see what I'm looking at?
We can see it.
Thank you so much for doing this. Okay, so just click on elective. The next thing you're going to do is click on classwork. And this is the assignment that you have this week. You've just got one assignment this week. So you're going to go ahead and click on organizing your RCSD Kids account inbox. And this has been assigned to all of you. And one of you has two, I think it's Patrick, you've got two accounts. I need you to delete one of them. Otherwise, I'm just going to delete the second one. I'm not sure which one you want to keep, but it should be the one that's under RCSD Kids. So go ahead and delete one of those. And open this up, and here are the directions. Each of you has been assigned one of these. Below is a list of sample student Gmail inbox. It is a sample of a student Gmail inbox. Decide whether you should label, star, archive, or delete each email. Then type your answer in the final column. If you choose label the email, state the name that you would give to that label. For example, you might want to label one of them PE. So over here, you're going to write label, if that's what you decide, and then tell me the name of what you labeled it. And then note there could be more than one answer. So this is the student inbox sample. There's not too many this time. Last time it was pages and pages of work. That was too much. This is just one page. So go ahead and take a look at who's from. The email title, Mrs. Dossie's Zoom meeting links. Now, what should you do with that? Should you label it? Should you star it, archive it, or delete it? With this one, there's probably two answers, so make sure that you put them both down. If you're labeling it, make sure you put a label that would make sense on there. Do you guys have any questions about what you are doing right now? This is actually due on Friday, so you have plenty of time. I'm going to stop screen sharing. If you have questions, put your hand up in the chat. Okay, Patrick.
I don't know how to delete emails.
Okay, so that was the video that I just showed you guys. Why don't I will post all of her videos in this week's
I meant
assignment.
I don't know how to delete an email account.
Oh, okay. You don't have to delete an email account. I'll do it for you then, okay? Whichever one you're not working on. So
how do you?
You're talking
But
about,
if I delete that account, I use that account for my phone.
You can only use one because it's coming up. Actually, let's see how it works out for two. That's fine. I'll let you keep it, and then if it's messing something up, I'll let you know. Okay?
Okay.
Mandy?
I'm just wondering, some of these sort of depend, it's a Cooley Middle School football game. Because, if that's important to you, then you might save it, but maybe you don't like football, so you just delete it. Are you just to assume, that you like football and you want to look back at that email?
That's a really good question. For that particular one, I will accept multiple answers. But I think with that one, it would probably be deleted or archived because you might, because if you're on the team, you would already have that. So that's a really good question. Depending on, I'll take a look at it. Okay, you guys. Some of them might have, might be dependent on the person, but let's assume Zoom links are important. Let's assume classwork and due dates are important. Okay. But for football game or any kind of game, I agree with you. That's dependent on the person. So let's see. Harrison?
Where do we find this? Because I can't find it.
So it's I'll share it with you guys one more